Today on ShyGotEm on Cam, find out how a simple traffic stop turns into a female ending up in handcuffs.
Hello.
Hi.
Deputy Novice with the Sheriff's Office. Reason for the stop today is a burnt out headlight.
Someone stop it?
What's that?
Where
For the headlight. Do you have I'll take her ID. Un poco inglés. Driver's license? No. A telephone number? Sounds good. I'll be right back, alright?
Players being paged to 3403 West Riviera Court. The resident reporting that the fire alarm is sounding. No smoke complaints.
So now we got the backup, Officer Whalen, pulling up, and they're running the ID, and they're about to discover something that they're not gonna like.
Driver's OWO2. But I also think she might be 5'5".
Alright.
Should I take her into custody to Fields in the jail, or?
If you want to do them there, you can do them there.
Or
You have a jail deputy standby, or if you want to do them out here.
can I have you step out and come talk to me back here quick?
What?
I'll have you step out of the car and come talk to me back here. We'll go to the front of my car.
Okay.
So you don't have a driver's license, correct? And you got a citation for it before, right? From Saukville? You did get a citation before? At the start of this year, in January? No. So unfortunately I do have to take you into custody for it. It's just going to be a book and release. I'm going to bring you down to the jail. They're going to take pictures and get your fingerprints, and then you'll be released, all right?
Okay.
Sound good? Then we'll go from there.
Why you need that?
What?
Why you need that?
Because you don't have a driver's license,
Okay.
and you got a citation for it earlier in this year, so that's 2 within 3 years. Makes sense? You'll be in and out 25 minutes.
Okay.
Sound good? I'll have you face my car for me. Right here. Nope. Then put your hands behind your back. I'm gonna grab gloves quick. Here.
Does she have a valid driver's license?
No.
How old is she?
40.
40? Okay. I'll have you face my car again, alright?
Okay.
Nothing concealed in your, nothing like that? All right. All right. Huh?
She understands English.
Older passenger.
See if she wants to sit in the car and wait for a ride, or take her. I'll take her to the jail lobby.
Her? I don't think so. The owner does. You want to come talk to me back here quick?
Why?
Just to figure out how we're going to get you home. Because you don't have a driver's license, right? You do? You don't. We can grab stuff later. Whose car is it?
And your kids.
Her kid?
And the kid.
Gotcha. Where are you guys coming from tonight? Huh?
Where?
Where do you work? Where do you guys?
Working
Where do you work at?
for 5 o'clock in the farm.
What is that?
And
Is it a restaurant?
no,
No?
farm.
Farm? Gotcha. Do you have someone that you can call to come pick you up that has a driver's license?
Yeah, my friend.
Your friend? Would you feel comfortable sitting in the car and waiting for them to come pick you up?
Okay. Yes. Let me go.
You okay with that? Yep. Alright. Sounds good. You can have a seat back in the car. Have your friend or family member come pick you
Where
up.
my friend?
She's gonna be going to jail for a book and release. I can, if you wanna have your friend pick her up,
Mm-hmm.
this is gonna be the address.
Okay.
Alright?
Okay.
Sound good? Does she have a phone or wallet in the car?
Okay.
Do you have a phone? Do you want to bring your phone? Do you have a wallet or purse? Do you want to bring that too? Alright. Can you grab her phone in her purse?
My phone?
Her phone. Does she have a purse or a wallet? Can you grab that? Perfect. So you can have a seat back in the car.
Okay.
Alright? Work on getting someone here to pick you up, alright?
Okay.
The young lady was charged with operating a motor vehicle without a valid driver's license, second offense in 3 years. And as for the other lady, I think she's still waiting for a ride. Leave your thoughts and comments in the comment section. And if you like that video, click to watch the next video on the screen.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.